Hey, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we're checking out the CarLinkit 2.0 dongle running on our demo pod, which is containing a Pioneer SPH-DA120, or if you're in America it's called the AppRadio4. It's a very early CarPlay system from Pioneer, and we've been lucky to have this since we first launched, really, and to be able to show technology and devices running on different systems, which is great. Otherwise you've got to swap out car systems in a real car, and that's a pain. So yeah, so we've got the CarLinkit 2.0 dongle in the back of this pod. I had to use the second USB port, the top one. There's two vertical USB-A ports. I had to use the top one. I plugged it into the bottom one and I got a red light and nothing actually came up on screen, so that's a good sign to say try the other port. So tried the top one and it booted in without a problem. So let me just show you it from boot. So this is equivalent of you almost taking the battery off your car when you do it for this pod. So we need to almost restart the whole system from scratch. It always goes into demo mode on this thing. So what we'll do, this is equivalent of almost just turning the ignition, so you can see the speed as to when it starts to connect in a minute. Dongle should be firing up, and you should get the caution screen that the Pioneer brings up every time CarPlay starts, which should be now. There it is. So we're in, and now you're onto this menu already, and it's choosing my iPhone 11 Pro here. And we're going into the iPhone 11 Pro, and we should be in any second. There it is, and we're in. So that's it in a nutshell, and it all seems to be working just fine. Just going to turn it to dark mode so you can actually see the screen a little bit easier. So everything's all working. It's doing the 4G. I'll just show you music playing. And oddly it's not showing the album art, but that could be a data thing. It's showing album art earlier. Let's just try relaunching that. There we go. So that's all working. I'll just show you the speed. If you look at the phone up here, how quickly it's changing. And the only real delay is going to be, for me at least on Spotify, is it's going to the internet, downloading the first part of the stream of the track. So you do get a slight delay on the system. It's pretty fast, this dongle. Some would say it's identical to the first generation, but I do believe the USB-C connection and potentially the 5 GHz. I don't know if the first generation is only 2.4G. and not 5 GHz, but if it is to do with the 5 GHz, that might be a reason why it's slightly nippier too. The cable as well being a detachable, so you can actually replace the cable with a longer one if you want to locate the dongle nearer to you or further away for some reason. You've got that ability too, because you can take that cable off and change it. Just generally it works, and it works great on the Pioneer. So if you've got this Pioneer in your car, you should be well assured that this will actually work in it. Someone said for the dongles, if you can actually control the tracks using the actual head unit back and forth, but these buttons don't work. Sorry guys. You can see the speed if I just tap it here to what's seeing on the screen. There you go. Yeah, this was working before, but for some reason it's not anymore. Hey Siri.
Yes?
How are you today?
I'm happy to be here.
Good, so Siri's happy to be here. Alright, so that's Siri working through the microphone's up here. Yeah, that's pretty much the CarLinkit 2.0 dongle running on the AppRadio4 or Pioneer SPH-DA120. if it works on this, it should work on a variety of other aftermarket head units. So hope you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.